Hi guys, come with me on a short walk in the east of Iceland. It is winter 2022. I hope you enjoy this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, just go subscribe. It is free, it is fun, it's lit over here. That's my baby. And remember to like and share the video. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and thank you again for watching. See you on another side. Bye. Yeah, it's a simple walk. Sundays, that's what we do. We take at least 3 kilometers of walk every Sunday, and it's good for the brain, fitness. It feels good to have fresh air in your face. The air is so cold, so it's numbing for the face, and it's a good feeling. Such a beautiful walk away from the town, and now we're just almost heading to the town. But look at the sunset. It's 3:15, and yep, that's the sunset. I've been so lost without you. Yeah, I'm so glad